What's up, recteq family? I'm Chef Greg, and today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the meat probes that come standard with your recteq grill. First and foremost, you want to grab a large glass of crushed ice with just a little bit of water, and that's going to give us the perfect environment to test these probes. We'll go ahead and secure our probes into their probe ports. All right, for this next step, we'll need to get that grill on. Since I've got it hooked up to the Wi-Fi, super simple. I'm going to set my grill, turn it on. All right, you can notice that probe A is reading 32 degrees, which is perfect. Probe B is reading 34 degrees, so we want to lower that value by 2. This is done very easily by entering the settings function of the computer. So we're going to press and hold the settings button for about 3 to 5 seconds till the screen changes. You'll notice it says 1 AUG. That 65 references your minimum feed rate. To advance, we'll press the settings button one more time, and it's going to say 2 OFS, which reflects the offset of the grill. We'll press that one more time and you'll see 3 PRBA, and this references the value for probe A. And since that's reading 32 degrees, we don't need to make any adjustments. We'll advance in that screen by pressing that settings button one more time, and we'll see 4 PRBB, which is going to register the probe B setting. Now you'll remember that setting was reading 34 degrees, so we want to lower that value by 2 degrees. So using the turn dial here, we'll lower that value by -2, and we can advance into that screen one more time to go back to the auger. To exit that screen, we'll press and hold the settings button, and it'll take us back to the home menu where we have the set point, the actual, and you can see both of our probes are reading 32 degrees. Now, one thing to do since we have changed the value to probe B is I take some red electrical tape or a different color, and I'll put a little dog ear on one of those probes so I know that is always for probe A or probe B, whatever works out easier for you guys. Again, this is recommended every couple months if you've dropped your probes or given them a good washing or they've gotten overly wet or abused over your cooks. That's simply how you adjust your temperature settings for your probes. We'll see you guys at the recteq.